Una, how's school?
It's only a dream. Are you Rona, a student of Miss Enriquez? Sit down. I heard to Mrs. Enriquez that you have a problem regarding your family, classmates. I mean, what's wrong with you? I'm here to help you. No one cares. Okay, nobody cares. Let's just put it this way around. You just have to communicate with your parents. You have to build relationships with your classmates and make new friends. And then, if nothing happens, just approach me. And then, let's just settle it another way. Just call me or go to my office, okay?
Una, how come you wake up early?
I'm going, just tell them.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, where's Rona? Is she still sleeping?
What?
Oh well, talk to that lazy pig that we're leaving, cause if we're going to wait for her, of course, not that we're gonna be late.
No, Mom. She woke up early about 15 minutes ago.
Oh, I don't care. I don't even care. Rika, baby, come on. We're going to
Mommy, I'm coming.
Come on. We're going to go to school.
Open the door. Bye, Yaya. Bye-bye. Good morning, class. Sit down. Rona. 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 How are you right now?
I'm okay.
Good, that's fine. Class, let us start our discussion. Now, 4 times 2. Anyone? Wow. Yes? Yes, very good. Let's give her a clap. 2 times 4. Anyone? Rona! Rona! 2 times 4. Class, do you want to help Rona?
No one. Me.
Yes?
Math, it's so easy. The answer is also 8. Empty-headed one.
Ten times three. Rona! 10 times 10.
What happened to Ate Rona?
She's sleeping, but because she's not feeling well. Where's your mom?
She said she couldn't come because she had a meeting.
What's her problem? She may excuse herself and be here. What kind of mother she is? Doc, how is she?
I think she have an influenza. An influenza virus is an acute disease with a rapid onset and pronounced symptoms. After an influenza virus invades a person's body, an incubation period of 1 to 2 days passes before symptoms appear. Death from influenza itself is rare. Common complications includes bronchitis, sinusitis, and bacterial pneumonia, occurring most frequently in the elderly, people on chemotherapy, and people with disease that compromises the immune system. If properly treated, these complications seldom are fatal. And I think she has sinusitis in the influenza. Her parents should bring her in the hospital.
Thank you, Doc.
Where am I? You're safe now, just like us.
Rika, come on, let's go home now. But wait, how about Rona? Just bring her home. Don't you care about your daughter?
Don't you interfere our life, okay? Come on, Rona, stand up. Hurry up. Come on, come on, come on. We're going home. Hurry up, Rita, baby, come on. Come on.
Hello?
Hello? Good afternoon. Is this Dr. Ross?
Yes, speaking. Who is this?